It definitely is 5
Somewhere.
o'clock somewhere. Yes. And you'll see I put my hair back for the segment because I mean business on this one. Like,
right. I'm gonna just step aside.
This is my jam right here. This is my domain, right?
Yeah. I am not the mixologist of the two.
That'd be me.
That'd be you.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're learning though.
I'm learning.
Yes.
I'm getting there.
Yes. So we love old fashions, and our drink is really a cross between an old fashioned and Manhattan. But we're gonna branch out and we're gonna try an apple cider old fashioned.
Yeah.
Right. So
Perfect for a little Thanksgiving.
yes,
Something to sip on.
something to sip on.
Sip.
Yes. Or yes. So we're gonna start with 2 ounces. So we're doubling this recipe because there's 2 of us.
Well, yeah.
Start off with 2 ounces of bourbon, and I actually chose the Bullet Rye because I love it. I don't necessarily have to always drink rye whiskey, but I do love it, and I think I'm gonna love it in this recipe.
Yeah.
It's a little bit more warmth to it. So, okay.
Sounds good.
So bourbon.
I'm trusting you on that.
Right. And then we have half a cup.
Half a cup of the apple cider. And we have a spiced apple cider here that I found at Trader Joe's. That is delicious. I mean, that just smells good.
I know, it smells so good. Okay, and then we had just a teaspoon, right? And I don't have I'm just gonna eyeball it. So we're gonna do 2 teaspoons
Perfect.
of maple syrup. Got that also at Trader Joe's. And then just a couple dashes, right?
Said 3 drops per drink.
Okay,
So
let's.
bitters is one of those things. Once you go past where you need to be,
It's too much.
can't go back.
I'd rather add less than
Yeah.
then have to add more.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, so you're going to cut up our garnish, which is going to be an orange, orange slice, apple slice, and then we have cinnamon sticks. And I feel like I need to stir this up a little bit. So
Okay.
let me find something to stir. Oh no,
Gonna be yummy.
this smells so good.
Alright. There's your orange.
Okay.
There's your apple.
Wow.
That's so pretty. You can see it's a different color. It's a little, I guess the apple cider vinegar is giving it a little more of a brownish color, or kind of a tan color, I should say. Can I stick it in
Do
our
it.
cinnamon stick?
Do it.
Woo, look how pretty those are. So how fun is that? That is so simple. If you're wanting to do a little signature cocktail for your Thanksgiving affair,
I mean, look at that. Look how festive that looks.
just so pretty and so simple. Very Thanksgiving-ish.
Okay, here we go.
Cheers. Let's see what it tastes like.
Oh, that's delicious. That is so good.
Oh my gosh, that's so good.
That's.
I love the apple cider in it.
I do
And I do not ever purchase apple cider or make it to just
I
drink.
don't either. But
I'm not a juice person.
this is so good.
But it's just got a great flavor. You think it's that rye?
I'm telling you, the rye bourbon.
Okay.
For this recipe.
So that's good
is-
to know.
is
We
kinda
need to
key.
we'll put the recipe below in the comments. Please subscribe. If you join us for a bourbon on Thanksgiving, please comment. Let us know what you think.
Yeah.
But this is a super simple signature cocktail that I think people would love.
I'm gonna make a little toast.
Okay.
Okay. So
I like
I'm
that.
going to toast / what I'm thankful for. So one, I'm thankful for this drink because
Ditto.
I love it, and I'm thankful for my friend here, Miss Heather,
Cheers.
and I love her too.
Ditto.
And I'm thankful for all of you for tuning in and watching.
Yeah.
And now I'm gonna go sit and have my bourbon.
I love it.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. You're
welcome.
so sweet.
Yeah.
Normally I bring that to the
Every once in a
that's
while.
nice of you.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
But we are very thankful for you all.
We are.
At this time of year, I think we all think about the things that we are thankful for. And thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for joining us on this journey.
Yes.
So cheers to you.
Cheers. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
This is so good.
So good.
How nice.